Welcome to the Virtual Accessibility Assistant or VAA. I'm delighted to assist you in creating immersive and inclusive experiences. As you enter this virtual representation of your living room, you'll find two objects floating before you, each representing a unique option. On the left, there's a beautiful painting indicating the option to go to the museum. On the right, you'll see a chessboard offering you the opportunity to play a game of chess with a fellow VAA user. Please feel free to approach either object, either physically or by using your chosen input method to make your selection. Welcome to our virtual tour of the museum. As your virtual accessibility assistant, I'm here to provide you with a comfortable and engaging experience. I understand that the movement of people can be disturbing, so to ensure your comfort, I have frozen the virtual crowd for the duration of the tour. You can now explore the artworks at your own pace, free from any distractions. As we begin, take a moment to look around and appreciate the stunning surroundings of the gallery. The space is beautifully designed, with elegant architecture and soft lighting that enhances the ambience. You may notice the frozen virtual crowd surrounding you, ensuring a serene and comfortable experience for you. Our first stop on this virtual tour is an artwork that features a canvas adorned with blue teardrop-shaped objects in various shades. Created by the talented artist Sarah Thompson in 1998, this painting titled Sorrowful Serenity invites you to delve into the realm of emotions and introspection. Moving along, we come across a series of 5 canvases with geometric circles set against a captivating purple backdrop. These mesmerizing paintings, completed by abstract artist James Anderson between 2005 and 2006, offer a feast for the eyes. Pay close attention to the strokes and textures, as they play a significant role in highlighting the artist's unique style and technique. Next, our path leads us to a series of 3 striking sculptures placed on the ground. These sculptures, created by sculptor Rebecca Morales in 2012, depict humanoid figures with extended hands. Each sculpture holds a distinct pattern, representing various stages in the journey towards unity and connection. As we continue our tour, we encounter an art piece that demands contemplation. 3 colorful doves rest upon a large marble block, while a colorless dove stands behind them. This thought-provoking composition, titled The Flight of Harmony, was crafted by the visionary artist Maya Patel in 2019 and carries significant philosophical meaning. Moving forward, we arrive at an abstract sculpture mounted on the wall. Created by contemporary artist Alex Ramirez in 2017, this piece challenges traditional notions of form and space. With its vibrant rectangles and intersecting metal frames, boundless convergence invites you to explore the intersection of freedom and limitation. Finally, we reach the centerpiece of our tour, a grand metallic mecha sculpture, towering above a marble rectangle. Crafted by visionary artist Ethan Williams in 2021, this awe-inspiring artwork, titled Sentinel of Progress, showcases the fusion of ancient and modern tradition and innovation. Thank you for joining me on this virtual tour. I hope the frozen virtual crowd and detailed descriptions have made this experience enjoyable and accessible for you. If you have any questions or require further assistance, please don't hesitate to let me know.